Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we are going to call Python function from UiPath. So let's go to UiPath Studio first. And the first thing what we have to do is install Python packages. So click on Manage Packages, then click on Official, then search for Python. You'll get this package over here. So install and save. Once you have installed it, you will get all these activities in your UiPath Studio. Now I'm going to select Python scope. In Python scope, we need to provide all this information. This is the path where Python has been installed in your machine. Then either it is 32 or 64-bit Python. And if you wanted to select any specific Python version, that you can specify over here. And finally, working directory, so that if you are creating any file or any other things, those will be created in the working directory. So let's first find out where Python has been installed. So in my machine, it has been installed into this location. It can be anywhere. Just one thing to verify is just check for python.exe application. Once you get this application, select this folder and copy it and put it over here. Now, in order to know whether it is 32 or 64-bit Python installation, so if you have Windows 10, then simply search for idle, and there you will get the information like whether it is 32 or 64. For me, it is 32-bit. And Windows 7 and 8, if you are not able to see those information, then you have to write one small Python code. So over here, I'm just going to find what is the size of the pointer. In 32-bit machine, pointer will take 4-bit, and in 64-bit machine, it will take 8-bit. So nothing much to know over here, just to run this. And over here you can see I got 32, which is like 32-bit machine installed in my window. So now this one is fine, 86. Now I will just keep it auto for the version. In working directory, I'm going to give this one, this location. Just copy this and paste it over here. Now all setup done. Save this and run the file just to make sure like it's not giving you any kind of the error. It is always, yeah, so I didn't get any error. That means this setup is fine for me. Now in order to execute a Python function, I have to do like first I have to load the script, then I have to call Python method, and finally the Python object what I will get from here, that I have to convert into .NET string so that I can use it in UiPath Studio. So these 3 steps we have to follow. Now I have written over here one simple Python code. Just it is going to return hello UiPath, nothing else. So from here or I can directly provide the path, so that is fine. Press shift and right click and then copy as path, just keep it over here. Now this script I have to store into one variable, so press Ctrl K and say Python script. And this variable I have to use into next method over here. This is Python script and the name of the function is hello UiPath. Let's copy this and put it over here. Its result we have to save into one variable again. Press Ctrl K and say Python result. And finally, this Python result we have to convert into UiPath string using Python object. So here it will be Python result, and this one we are going to store into UiPath result. Save this, and finally we are going to print UiPath variable over here. Say UiPath result. Now let's run this. So over here you can see we got hello UiPath. Let's do one thing, just change it. Hello UiPath 123 testing. Close this and run again. You can see like we got hello UiPath 123 testing. So as a summary, what we have to do is first install Python package. Then in the Python scope, you have to do the setup. Provide all these informations like where Python has been installed in your machine, what is the either it is 32 or 64-bit machine, and the working directory, path of the working directory. Once the initial setup is done, then we have to load the script. Simply provide the path where you have created the script and create a variable. That variable you are going to use into the next method over here. Along with you have to pass the function name, and this will return one result. That result you have to use into next step to convert Python object to .NET object, and this .NET object you can use in UiPath as usual. So thank you for watching.